In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix something went wrong on PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the something went wrong error on PS5 is a generic catch-all for anything from a crash game to a corrupted system update. So there's a few things that we're going to want to go ahead and do. Firstly, go over to your settings, then go ahead and scroll down to System, and then go to System Software, and then all you want to do is go to System Software, Update, and Settings. And where it says Update System Software, if an update is available, go ahead and make sure to do that to ensure your PS5 is on the latest firmware. And if the error ever happens when you're launching a game, then what you want to do is go over to your settings area, then go over to Users and Accounts, then go over to Other. Once you're in Other, you're going to see Restore Licenses. So then once you go ahead and do that, I'm just going to press Update later. But once you go ahead and restore licenses, go ahead and click the game that you're having issues with launching, and then you should be in a much better position as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.